Hey Smyrna, this is your weekly road projects update. Here's what's happening around town right now. The town continues its roadway restriping program to improve safety for motorists and pedestrians in accordance with the Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices, or MUTCD. Crews are installing and refreshing pavement markings, including stop bars, centerline striping, and crosswalks where applicable. Some roadways are receiving new striping, while others are being refreshed to enhance visibility and safety. The town's contractor has completed restriping on the following roadways. Construction continues at the intersection of Sam Ridley Parkway and Old Nashville Highway as crews progress with roadway improvements. Last week, paving was completed on the Walgreens side of the intersection. Work is now shifting to the Racetrack side, where crews will begin excavation and paving operations. A temporary turn lane remains in place for northbound Old Nashville Highway traffic turning west onto Sam Ridley Parkway while final paving is completed. Motorists are encouraged to use caution, watch for changing traffic patterns, and allow extra travel time when traveling through the work zone. For the latest information on these and other projects, visit townofsmyrna.org and head to the projects page where you'll find our interactive project map with all the current details. Feel free to reach out to the Public Works Department if you have any questions. Stay safe out there.